What's going on, everybody? This is Ryan with the Profit Locker. Thanks for tuning in again. And in today's video, I am going to try and keep it as short as humanly possible. I know a lot of my videos are very long, but we're back on the crypto train today. And today's a unique video because I was doing some research into how to turn your Bitcoin earnings or your cryptocurrency earnings into cash in case you needed to get liquid for whatever reason. And I figured no better way to do so than to do my own research and then do a video of me actually signing up for a card that I feel is hopefully going to be worth the squeeze in the long run here. And, you know, for whatever reason, you always want to make sure you have a proper way to exit. I mean, if Bitcoin just blows up tomorrow for whatever reason and falls to $10 a share, first off, I'm buying if that happens. I'm not selling my positions, but you definitely want to make sure that for emergency reasons, you want to get liquid to whatever currency your country supports at this point. So let's dive into, before we get to the BitPay card, just wanted to do this real quick. So lending wallet increased above $10. Let me just refresh real quick, see if there's any more. So lending wallet, past couple of days have been pretty good. We had a 0.02% day, which on my small $10 loans really gave me nothing here. And then we jumped up to 1.76%. So I have three $10 loans and a $190 loan. So you see 334, 18 cents, 18 cents. Yesterday was $2.64, 14. We had 1.39%, and today's a 0.3% day. So I don't expect much out of my loans. However, I'm above that $10 mark, so we're going to do a little reinvest. So what you do is you click on the dashboard screen, and right next to, for all the newbies here, right next to where the lend Bitconnect, this would be where you would actually lend your BCC or Bitconnect coin, which is also down, by the way, I think $7 or $8 in the last couple of days. To be expected, riding the Bitcoin decline. So when you would deposit your Bitcoin, you'd exchange it to Bitconnect coin, and then you would lend your Bitconnect coin for these loans in these amounts. If you haven't watched my other videos on my strategy, I would suggest going back and doing that. Just gives you a little heads up as to how to approach this. In a decline market, as Bitcoin's going down, I tend to lend a little bit more rather than buying and holding. So today, like I said, is the 0.3%. Tomorrow we got a nice day, 1.74%. So let me just go right ahead and show you the reinvest. So when your interest earns up here, it'll accrue in your lending wallet, and you can reinvest in terms of minimum terms of $10. So I just do all that in there. It says plus and leftover amount. So this will be credited back towards your lending wallet. So the $257, we're going to reinvest $10. 299 days. Keep in mind your capital will remain locked for 299 days. Interest will be credited daily. You can withdraw that anytime. So confirm. Successfully reinvested. So cool. So now, if we refresh, we have, if you see here, 11:06 a.m., September 22nd. We reinvested another $10 loan. So the total earned to date off of that $190 investment and then reinvesting in tens is $42.55. So we're cool over here. Remember, if you, so I've had some people sign up on my referrals for Bitconnect and for Bitpetite. The links are in the description if you want to get signed up. I give half of the 7% on my level 1 for Bitconnect back to you just for signing up under my referral link, and then I'm donating. I don't know if you saw the other videos. I'm donating the other half once we reach our goal of $5,000 to Shriners Children's Hospital. These platforms are temporary. They are not long-term stable investment strategies. It's basically internet gambling at this point. We've never really seen the owners of either Bitpetite or Bitconnect come out and show their face or, really give us any type of security whatsoever. This is your money. I'm not telling you what to do with your money. I would never do that. You make the choice to sign up in these platforms or not. I would suggest, if you can't afford to lose any of this money, my total that I started off with was $103. It's play money to me. It's something that I would spend in a week on food, eating out or dining out maybe once or twice. Maybe a night of heavy drinking, right? Heavy partying. This is money I can afford to lose, so I'm not worried about if Bitpetite goes down tomorrow. Anything can happen with these lending platforms. So again, this is a short-term strategy, high-risk strategy. Like I said, I don't trust either of these platforms, but what I do is I trust my own ability to get in and get out and then play with their money. I want to play with the interest. So if you were to invest today on the 22nd of September for a 9-week, you would break even on October 27th. So a month and 5 days. And then if you were to do the 6 weeks, it would literally just be 1 month to the day that you would earn your total principal back in dividends. So my theory was, okay, get in, get my principal out, and then I'm probably going to do 9-week, I don't know, maybe 6 weeks. Maybe I'll just continue the 6 weeks. I have no idea. I have no idea what I'll do. We'll see what happens. So I'll keep an eye on this. Now, the reason why I did this is because we're looking at BitPay. This is the BitPay card. It's basically a prepaid Visa debit card that allows you, and it has a wallet to it too, a mobile app, all this fun stuff. How it works, basically you order the card. I believe it costs you $10 in Bitcoin. You activate the card by going to the website. Then you load the card with Bitcoin that it will transfer the Bitcoin. It will exchange the Bitcoin in the wallet of the card to US dollars. And you can spend the dollars anywhere that there's Visa debit cards are accepted, or withdraw cash from any Visa compatible ATM. So let's order a card. So I click continue and it says, do you have a Bitcoin wallet? So obviously, but you'll need $9.95 in Bitcoin to pay the order fee for the BitPay card. So the card costs $10. So now you get to the application and then you do the shipping information where you want the card sent, your personal identification, social security. So they need social security. Here's the crappy part about this. So they need social security because if you withdraw or spend in transactions, this is for the United States, more than, I think it's $20,000 in cash withdrawals at an ATM or exchanges, just buying stuff online, whatever it might be, paying bills, then they will send you a 1099. You can withdraw up to, I think it's up to $3,000 a day on this thing. So, if you're turning like serious profits on Bitconnect, like if you've been in for a while and your lending wallet is just accumulating, or maybe you're starting off with a large amount of loans for Bitpetite or Bitconnect, this is an easy way to get that money, your principal, back onto a card to be able to spend it, withdraw it. I am going to fill this out real quick and then I'm going to click continue to payment. Okay, so I just clicked continue. We're now on to step 2. Great, you're almost there. Now it's time to pay your card order fee. So then I click buy with Bitcoin. And here's what we're doing. So we're trying to send this over. So I have to send 0.003006. So basically, once you pay the $10 for the card, you'll get accepted, and I'm sure they will email me, and then they'll let me know that they're mailing my card out. that is the update so far with the BitPay coin. I'm sorry, the BitPay card. I will again make another video when I do receive the card, just to let you guys know how the process is going. And that's it. And we have our Bitpetite is still up and running. And then we also have Bitconnect lending wallet. Tomorrow will be a nice day with 1.76%, I think it was. Let's just check it out again. 1.74%. And then every day at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, these numbers get updated. And outside of that, if you guys, again, if you want to get started in Bitconnect or Bitpetite, the links are below. And I want to show you guys that these videos are really just documenting my procedures, my strategy, and hopefully my wins and my losses. This is just play money for me. So I hope you're having fun with your money and your cryptocurrencies, even though today is a down day in the market. Don't be scared. Buy and hold, add to positions on the way down. And yeah, that's all I got for you today. So stay tuned for the next video. And again, I wish you all the success in the world in your cryptocurrency and your investing journey. I will talk to you soon.